Hey guys, welcome to 3G Family Network. Today we have another exciting video for you guys. Today we're trying out several different types of Lay's chips, from original to old-fashioned barbecue to cheddar jalapeno. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Yay, let's do this!
Yay!
Okay guys, so the first one we're going to go with is the original. We have to start with the original, right? This one is the first one, the classic. Mariah, you want to go?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, so this one is the classic one, the first one, made the original one. So we're going to go with this one first.
Tastes like plain chips.
Yeah, so this is the original that everyone knows that we have all the time. So we're going to give our scores. I'm going to go first. I'm going to go with 7.5. Original.
I was gonna go with 7 out of 10.
7? Okay, I'm going to go with 7.5. And Jaden's going to be our the one that keeps the score. So 7 and 7.5.
Yeah.
Okay, and for our second, this one is called the Wavy Original. This is, you know, just like the
same thing but wavy.
yeah, but just wavy.
They remind me of the Ruffles.
You go first.
Never had this before.
And these two are like dairy free because Jaden has a dairy allergy, so Jaden can have these two ones. And so if you have any dairy allergy, if you're allergic to like milk or cream or anything like that, this one is good, the original Wavy.
Tastes a bit different. Doesn't have as much salt.
This one's different. Yeah. I like this one a little bit better.
Really, I like it a bit less.
Yeah, so you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll give it like a 5 out of 10.
5? I'll give it an 8 because to me it's a little bit thicker. That one is very thin. It tastes more full, like when you're chewing it, because it's a bit thicker. So I'll give it an 8. You give it a 5?
Yeah.
Okay. And for number 3. This one is cheddar jalapeno. Spicy. Jaden, you can't have this one because this one
Has milk.
has milk in it. So, Mariah.
It has a lot of cheddar in it. I don't taste the jalapeno though, I just taste cheddar.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, but it's pretty good.
Very good. So,
8.5.
8.5? Yeah, I'll do 8.5 too. It's good. Yep, so that's number 3, cheddar jalapeno, 8.5, 8.5. No. Okay, and for number 4, we have our cucumber flavor Lay's chip. And this one is Chinese inspired. It's not made in China, but it's Chinese inspired. Chinese writing and everything. Mandarin. Cucumber. Jenny, do you want to open it? Okay, let me.
Okay. My hands are really greasy.
Okay, so this one has milk in it. I don't know why there's milk in it, so Jaden can have this one also.
We just want to make our own for Jaden.
There you go.
I'm kind of nervous.
Cucumber. First time, like, trying a cucumber chips.
It tastes a lot like cucumber.
Oh, wow.
Very strong. I don't really like it.
Wow. That's a lot of cucumber.
Yeah. My evil. I don't really like cucumbers, so I don't think I would enjoy this as much as Jan would enjoy it because he loves cucumbers.
Mariah's making a breakfast. This is a good way to get your kids to have vegetables, right? Cucumber. I'm gonna go first. I'll give it a 7. It's kind of a weird flavor, but I still like it.
I give it like a 4 out of 10. I still like cucumbers, but other than that, it's okay.
Okay, so 4 and 7. Okay, so now we are trying the lightly salted chips. Yeah, this one is, I've never seen this one before. Well, I've never seen a cucumber before also. I've never seen this one before. This one has 50% less sodium. So this might be
healthy.
Yeah, this might be something that we add to our snacks because, yeah, a lot of salt is not good.
Yes, it is.
Not healthy. Okay, so let's try this one.
I feel the salt. I don't know. They have a later feel to it.
Okay.
They kind of taste a little bit like the same, but this one I can tell doesn't have as much.
So, yeah, it's good. Like, I expected the taste to be a bit bland, but it works. If it's really 50% salt, it's still good. So I'm gonna give this a 8.
7.5.
7.5. So Mariah 7.5, and I'm gonna do 8 out of 10. So not bad. Like, and it, if it's something that you should consider adding if it's in a supermarket nearby. 50% less sodium, and we know sodium is one of the biggest contributors to like us having a breakdown in our health. So less salt, less sugar, works. Okay, and now for number 6, salt and vinegar. This one seemed very interesting. One thing I like, the packages, they're very colorful. Like it's like, wow, like so much different colors. Okay, and this one has milk in it again, so Jamie cannot have this one. I don't know why they put milk in potato chips.
They're not milk chips, they're potato chips.
Yeah, I don't know why, but I guess we'll find out.
Like, hit the salt in there.
Oh.
Very strong.
Whoa. Oh my
They
god.
have similar chips like this at Starbucks, and they taste the same.
Yeah, this is.
They're okay.
Yeah, I don't know about these ones. These ones taste like almost like adult, like adult chips, like something that like an adult would have with alcohol or a glass of wine or something like that. It doesn't taste like. So, Mariah, what's your score for this one?
2 out of 10.
2? I thought you liked it. Yeah, I'm gonna give this maybe a 3. I know people would like it because there are a lot of people that like, tangy, salty taste. The vinegar that give it a tangy taste. So people like it, but yeah, I'll give it a 3. It's not mine. It's my least favorite so far. Okay, and for number 7, the final one.
One more. 7.
Okay, and for the final one, it's old-fashioned barbecue. And as I said, like everyone has a different color, very colorful. Yeah, so let's dig in.
We're gonna try and We're not sure if Jan can try this because there's like this ingredient that they use that like for wheat or something. But we'll try them with like one chip.
Okay, Jaden. Here you go.
Mm.
Mmm.
I feel like I've had these before.
Mmm. Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah. I like it.
Mmm.
Mm.
So, old-fashioned barbecue. It's very smoky. Has a very smoky flavor. But it's not too overpowering or anything. But it's good.
Yeah.
So, Mario, let's just go.
9.5.
9.5? Okay. I'll give it an 8.5.
Okay. And you?
Yeah, so that's it. Mariah said 9.5. I said 8.5. And these are 7 flavors that we decided to try, but there's about 15 different flavors. There's a black pepper flavor. There's so many different flavors, so you can go out and you can try one and let us know which one of these is your favorite in the comment section. This video is not sponsored by Lace, so please feel free to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button,
and share our videos.
And
Lace, sponsor us.
we're out.
Sponsor us, please.